gonna take it down. There's only one step. You wanna slather your fish with jelly? Just get some jelly on those bad boys. Alright, Bubbles, do you have what it takes to complete the last Jellyfish Challenge? If you do, tag me, at me, hashtag me. I'm gonna add you to my page to share out to all my Bubbles and friends. Let the challenge begin.
Alright guys, 6 fish sticks, 1 minute. Let's start now. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Uh-oh.
I'm sure the time ran out by now.
Ooh.
Okay guys. Guess I failed again.
Come over here with that attitude, girl.
Okay guys, first I'm going to start with, I'm using a new product. It's called Pea Protein Dry Mix, and it's by Creative Pea. Okay, that's it. And this, I'm going to use this product to make the fish sticks with. Okay, so we're going to learn together, guys. I'm going to open the packet. And let's see, I have to use 1 1/4 cup of very cold water. So I'm going to start there. Okay, I didn't bring a cup in here, so I have to do this one twice. It's a 1/2 cup. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And then, okay, so I'm going to mix this for, it says mix from 1 to 2 minutes. This smells good. I can smell the kelp. That's what I'm picking up. And then it has the textures. Do you guys see that? It has the texture. Ready. Okay, so now I'm going to add a 1/5 cup of olive oil. So olive oil. 1/5 cup olive oil. should just coat it while before it sets. I'm gonna add a little bit of Old Bay. Welcome back, guys. I am the Vegan Kitty and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a challenge. I know I haven't done a challenge in a few years, and I said I was retired from doing challenges, but
Just be calling me, man. Be calling me, man.
Mukbang Mermaid, she challenged me to do her challenge called the Boxed Jellyfish Challenge. Yeah, I did this challenge before, and well, let's just see how it went. Okay, so we have 1 minute to do this challenge, and I'm going to add the jelly to it now. I should have, hold on, let me get some rubber gloves. I put the glove on the wrong hand, so let's make it work. Try to do this fast. So the last challenge I had, I made the jellyfish using tofu, and so what I didn't know at the time is that my pieces were extremely big, so that was a mess. It made it harder, I'll say that. Okay, set the timer and we can get started. Oh my God, guys, it's been like forever. It's been like forever since I've done this. Okay. Let's go. Okay. All right. So 1 minute, 6 fish sticks. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, that was hard. And I think I made them too thick like I did before. I should have made them a lot smaller, and I did not do that. Well, I thought they were at the time. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I made them a lot. What do you guys think? Not the size, or is it too big, or is it just right? I don't know. Oh, guys, and let me go over and let me do this right quick. So I want to do a review right quick on a fish stick without any jelly on it. Okay. That's the inside of it. I like the texture. It has a nice texture to it. And what's crazy is it has the layer like it does, the layering that fish has. It has a briny taste. You can pick that up. It's flaky. Delicious. So with these fish sticks, you can also make fish fillets with them as well. Originally, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to make fish out of it, but I chose to make fish sticks since, you know, we're doing a challenge. But that's nice. I sure will buy it again and make the fish fillets. I'm going to have to do that and let you guys see how they come out. Excuse me. So this concludes the challenge. You guys go over and check out the Mukbang Mermaid. Check out her channel. She's extremely hilarious. You got to check her out. Funny, colorful character. Okay, so thank you guys for vibing out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I am the Vegan Kitty, and this cat is out.